Women's Wing jong National People Party menta ka sngi kila Pynrem jor Halor ka Jingshah Ther Myntri Rangbah haka ar phausaw tarik naitung hatura. Ka State President jong NPP Women's Wing ka kongpi nongplu kala panpawe ka jing bom sngi hap ya kani ka Jingshah namar bah hakate ka Jingyalang Myntri Rangbah ula sngap ya ka Jingdawa jong ki pajba atura. Kalau ong ba ka NPP Women's Wing kala panpawe ka jing sngukya namar balada ya Myntri Rangbah akila nut ban Ther kanong ka Jingma ya ki wei. La kan tu ki pajba bat ki seng bhalang bahaba ki penlong ya kanu kanu ke Jingyalang kimdei ban mi kum kito ki jingkulmar.
Kandi ke jing khot chungi penlong mek ba ni condemn ke ke jing TI of CM happy apo South Dik te ke long ke ke bangi kum ki nong chum snong jaka state ni ya ngim la ban pediang pada ya CM ki la nut ban le kum tu te ke long ke ba ma ya ka bi ba ke jai beliau hi ro away.
Together from the NPP Women's Wing are deeply concerned about the violent attack to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sapma and other members who are also present there with him on the 24th July 2023. The anguish of we the women to observe such hatred and rage is tremendous. Violence and harming others is not the answer to solve any problems. When our Honorable CM was present in Tura to address the issue of concern, he was prepared to listen and discuss with the various groups, and also he has options to address on various matters that are being demanded. I urged the youth and the energetic members of different communities to redress their dissatisfaction in a peaceful and harmonious way. Of course, we all demands for various community needs that will become an important part of governance. But this act that took place on 24th July evening is not in a peaceful way. The Women's Wing is very proud of the vision and hard work that our Honorable CM invests to ensure a pathway for the growth and development of the youth and the state as a whole. We again urged the youths and other members from the different communities to please stop such discrimination. We do not want any violence to happen from this onwards. This is a concern to the state of Meghalaya as a whole.
We should not comment and cause any other aggression.
But
to the
do you
crowd.
see that it is a conspiracy?
Well, definitely it is something that is pre-planned, and it definitely is something that they must have sat and discussed over, because randomly to come and attack with stones and everything, pelting stones and all, you cannot just say, okay, we want to do it. I think it's something that must have been planned, and it is obviously a political agenda.
Since you are also
pre-planned, they should know. And that means intelligence failure is there.
Maybe somewhere, somehow, there must be something which we don't even want to say or comment, because
No, why we tell that it's pre-planned? Because we see in the mobile, we see in the media, we see so many stones at a time. That's why if we plan to do, we also used to do so many programs, but we never carry stone along with us. But that in 24, there's so many stones at a time. That's why they have some plan to attack a CM.
So that is why I am repeating the same question. Stones cannot disappear from heaven. Sorry, appear from heaven. So there should be some
That's why let the police right now that we cannot answer the police duty.
The police failed in.
We cannot see the fail on the past, but I think you ask from the police, that will be good.
We can go the peaceful way, we can go the right way, but pelting stones, harming people, harming the police, I don't think so it's the right thing to do. So we as women feel that it is not right. That's why we have organized this press conference also on behalf of the women's wing, and we urge the people to please calm down and let's do this the right way.
Iki ba iki NGO yaki no ki ba organize kanu ka meetings bangimde banlong nginde na Maria ka ri jongi la ong bangide ka ri te play nei daki pe yakin hisi kata ka nam kaburam jongi kala nangja da da kat eu ship ne sangi ala bande kuntu de ka tai ka we ka bangi kwa ban khat ka conference ka long bangin khat iki kon samla jongi kham tam iki samla jong ka state hi barok away ban nginda perkat shwa ka eka bangin le namala da jai yaki tu ki kun ka le meeting tu ka ski kan thai ka kami ka ban yam la pa po yen tingi ke pa yaki kun samla jongi habangi le ka nu ka la da don manuru ba pen shit ne ba ban ong ngini le da ka eka kam ka bomla ban piang ngim dei ban le ko ma kita ki jaka tangkata ka bangi ngo nakaliang ka jongi kumpi women swing jong ka NPP and we condemn ya ka belajar